Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today we are comparing two impressive dash cameras that promise to enhance your driving experience. On one side, we have the Showdown dashcam, which captures all angles in 1080p. On the other, we have the Miden X5, boasting stunning 4K resolution. We'll dive into their features, performance, and pricing to see which one comes out on top. Let's get started. The first area we are comparing is video quality. The Showdown dashcam records in 1080p Full HD across all three channels, providing decent clarity for everyday use. However, the Miden X5 takes it a step further, with its 4K Ultra HD front camera, offering stunning detail that can capture license plates and road signs with exceptional clarity. This difference in resolution can be crucial for evidence in case of an incident. Next, let's discuss connectivity. The Showdown dashcam does not offer Wi-Fi, meaning you'll need to remove the SD card to access your footage. In contrast, the Miden X5 features 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing for quick file transfers directly to your smartphone or tablet. This convenience can save you time and hassle, especially if you frequently review your recordings. Finally, let's compare the storage options. The Showdown dashcam comes with a 32 GB SD card, which is sufficient for basic recording needs. However, the Miden X5 includes a 64 GB SD card, doubling your storage capacity and allowing for longer recording times without the need to frequently overwrite files. This is particularly beneficial for those who want to ensure they capture all important moments on the road. In conclusion, both dashcams offer valuable features for drivers, but they cater to different needs. The Showdown dashcam is a great budget-friendly option for those who want basic 3-channel coverage. However, if you prioritize video quality and modern connectivity, the Miden X5 is the clear winner with its 4K resolution and Wi-Fi capabilities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like